Hi, my name is Ann Devine, and I'm an academic coach and writing consultant at MCC's Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAAC. This workshop is on time management and how to prepare for a successful semester. So what is time management and why is it important for college students? Time management is the process of planning and organizing the things you need and want to do so that you can get them all done. And time management is especially important for college students because you have so many things to balance: classes, studying, family, friends, and often employment. I want you to take a minute and think about what are some of your biggest time management challenges. Do you procrastinate? Do you wait until the last minute to get assignments done? Are you too busy? Are you not sure of how to plan? We're going to take a few minutes to fill out this time management self-assessment. There's 20 questions for you to answer, and you're going to answer with always, sometimes, or never. If you pick always, you're going to put 2 points in the box. If you pick sometimes, you're going to put 1 point in the box. And if you pick never, you're going to put a 0 in the box. At the end, you can add up your total amount of points. Then if you look to the left, there is a scoring guide that will give you an idea of how you did. You can either use this screen to take the assessment, or there is a link that you can click on and print it out. Looking at your completed self-assessment, of the 20 questions, pick 5 things that are important issues for you. Are there any behaviors that are affecting your success as a student? Are there things that you would like to change for the better? Take a few minutes to write those 5 things down, and you can pause the recording while you do that. Now that you have your 5 items that are important to you, think about ways that you could actually make these changes. Are there any obstacles that you might need to address before you start to make these changes? Now that you've come up with some things you want to improve upon or change in terms of time management, the next step to think about is what you can do to enhance your time management skills. First, it's important to be aware of the amount of time you spend on academic, social, and personal activities. The goal of time management is to find a balance among all of these things that you need and want to do in your life. And one way for college students to manage their time is with a planned weekly schedule. This concludes part 1 of the time management workshop. Stay tuned for our part 2, which we will be looking at different types of weekly schedules and how to fill them out and use them.